Is it time to own Bitcoin? We think it is. Guys, my name is Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative, and in the next 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to talk through a few tips and tricks for you to be able to trade Bitcoin's price action as an equities trader. And also, if you're trading spot Bitcoin or leveraged Bitcoin on an exchange, you're going to want to stick around because we're bullish, baby. First things first, Bitcoin bottomed out Q4 of last year, right? January, we hit these lows and we're up about 108 to 110% off of those lows. This is a primary uptrend. It doesn't mean that it's going to necessarily be the easiest trade in the world, but we are hitting a series of higher highs, higher lows. This is a primary uptrend. Now, obviously, we came up and broke up and over the 25K range, and between 25 and 30,000, we didn't do a lot. So from March through the beginning of October, we didn't do a whole lot. It just was grinding sideways. A lot of people were getting chopped up trying to trade this. These are the types of fractals that you want to avoid as a directionally biased trader, okay? As a breakout or breakdown style trader, you don't want to be involved in this type of price action. Once you have identified that it is a range, you simply set buy orders above. If you want to front run, feel free, or buy orders below. If you want to front run, feel free. But trading chop as a directionally biased trader is a one-stop shop for blowing an account. So up and over the 200-day moving average, along with the RSI breaking up and over 50, we took our first positions. It was a speculative long position. We front ran price action. We did not know if we were actually going to break above 30K this time. We had some clues. Momentum was gradually improving. RSI showing us that bulls were in control as the pop was happening. And so we took some positions in some Bitcoin miners and things like Coinbase as well. We're going to go through that in a second. Up and over 30K, you have to be more bullish than bearish in Bitcoin, at least from a structure standpoint, right? Previous resistance area all year, 30K. We're now trading above it, trading 34,433 right now. So just about $34,500. And we're placing this nice pennant type of structure here up on top of a flagpole. If any of you guys know what this is, say it now. This is a high and tight, right? This is a high and tight. It's a tight consolidation fractal on top of a damn near vertical flagpole. And this generally, overwhelmingly, resolves to the upside. And if you are a technical trader that knows anything about chart patterns and Polkowski, this is the highest performing continuation pattern that you could possibly be trading. So we are looking for, doesn't mean it has to happen. Just want to point that out. Doesn't mean it has to happen, but this is an incredibly bullish consolidation pattern on top of a parabolic move. We are expecting this to break to the upside, and we're targeting that 40K range, right? That 40K area, previous spot of contention with volume. We're expecting it to hit up there. Bitcoin. Is the crypto market in general moving as well as Bitcoin? I'm going to show you something really quick. You can utilize 3 different tickers, right? Ticker TOTL. This is going to be your overall crypto market cap. We're currently sitting at 1.248, right? So over $1 trillion. We're starting to clear new potential 2-year highs here. This is very bullish for the crypto space in general, right? We can see that money is flowing back into the crypto space. The market cap's up. It looks like we might be hitting a 2-year high. This is what bulls want to see, but we can actually take it one step further. We can look at total 2, which is the entire crypto space without Bitcoin. So this is Ethereum and everything else in the crypto space, the market cap. And we can see, by the way, that we're not clearing those 2-year highs. We still have a level of resistance somewhere up here at 650, right? 664. We're currently down here at 575. So we already have a general idea of where that money is flowing. If we have a market cap that is breaking to 2-year highs that includes Bitcoin, and a market cap that is not hitting 2-year highs, that is not hitting a 2-year high, obviously it does not include Bitcoin, we can reasonably assume that Bitcoin is getting the lion's share of this flow, and that's what is happening. We can extrapolate it one more layer down. Total 3 is the entire total crypto market cap without Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are your altcoins. These are your shit coins. These are going to be typically where you find your 1000Xers. Probably not going to 1000X your Bitcoin and Ethereum as a trading vehicle. Nice trading vehicles. We are trading them, but those huge wins that people lust over in the crypto space are probably not going to come from Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're going to come from altcoins, and this is a great this is a great ticker, not ETF, ticker Total 3 to track the overall market cap of the crypto space, taking out of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So when this starts breaking into 2-year highs, which we're not there yet, we have a ways to go, right? We have a ways to go here. We can reasonably expect that altcoin season, quote unquote, is back, and that's when we should be going and finding those low valued altcoins that are potentially going to 100x. Inside of TTI, we're looking for a $400 billion breakout here, that $400 billion on that Total 3. Right now, currently trading 359. We're not that far off, but we're just not there. Right now, all of the profits, all of the cash flowing into the space is going into Bitcoin. So really quick, I want to show you something. As an equities trader, you have lots of different options. Bitcoin's up anywhere between 100 to 110. I think it's 108% right now. Look at the year-to-date returns on all of the Bitcoin-related equities plays, right? Cypher, CIFR, Cypher Mining, up 552.68. MSTR, everybody loves MicroStrategy, right? 203%. RIOT, right? RIOT Platforms, another BTC miner, 200%. Mara, 176%. Why am I showing you this? Guys, as an equities trader or an options trader, a lot of these have available options chains. The higher beta names in the equity sides will allow you to capture Bitcoin's spot price action without having to actually go and trade Bitcoin on those exchanges. Why does this matter to us? Well, it allows us to capture Bitcoin's spot price action, which right now we have concluded is for the most part up, right? We can all agree BTC is pressing up into new highs. Well, if I told you there's a higher beta equivalent listed right now on the New York Stock Exchange, why would you not trade that, right? The opportunity cost is huge. If you're trading Bitcoin and you're not buying Bitcoin just because it's Bitcoin, but you're trying to capture the price action here. This is up 108%. We have equities up 2, 3, 4, 500%. And they track Bitcoin's price action, which is the name of the game. They're positively correlated. Even things like Coinbase, right? If you just look at Coinbase really quick, that price action is not that far off the Bitcoin. They're positively correlated, okay? And this thing's even up more than BTC. So if you're an equities trader, specifically if you're trading options, there's lots of options availability on a lot of these blockchain-esque companies. You can use the ETF BLOK to actually go and find those, right? There's an entire list here. There's 52 holdings that you can go through. You can find horizontal level breakouts or whichever setups you like and trade those as well. Guys, my name is Hamilton. I'm here with the Trading Initiative. Do you think it's time? Is it time to be buying Bitcoin? We think it is. We already have some positions. We expect this to continue on up to that 40K range. If it does break back down and test that 30K range, we're okay as well. We have shifted to the upside. We expect that the primary uptrend is going to continue, and therefore we are long. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please leave them in the video below, right? And please like and subscribe. This type of content, I like to make it. I like to hear what your guys' thoughts are. Feel free. I'll catch you in the next video.